Hi everyone, welcome back to the Storytime family. How have you been? Have you been keeping well? Have you been good and reading all kinds of books by yourself? Well, thank you for taking the time to sit down and read with us. Today we have a book called Counting Aussie Animals in My Backyard by Bronwyn Houston. Let's get started. Counting Aussie Animals. One python slithers through the plants. 2 kookaburras laugh on the fence. 3 lizards bath on a log. 4 frogs hide in the shade. 5 cockatoos squawk in the trees. 6 beetles play under the leaves. 7 dragonflies dart across the garden. 8 eagles fly around the sun. 9 bull ants march over the hill. 10 mosquitoes bite my legs. Ouch! They're the worst, aren't they, Mossies? And that was Counting Aussie Animals in My Backyard. Hope you enjoyed this book. If you'd like to own a copy, the links to purchase it are in the description below. Give us a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the story, and click on the bell for more books like this. Thank you so much for joining us. We'll see you back here again soon. You take care. Bye-bye.